In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 incredibly easy and totally free affiliate marketing methods you can use today to start to generate money in affiliate commissions. Now, you can see on the screen right here that I've been able to generate consistent income on a daily basis just using these methods, and I'm going to reveal them to you in this video. So even if you're brand new, even if you don't have any previous experience, no tech skills, you're going to be able to copy me and start to generate results. Let's go ahead and dive into the very first method. So the first step is we need to actually find a product to promote. Now there's a lot of different affiliate marketplaces. There's Digistore24, there's JVZoo, and there's ClickBank. Now for this video, I'm gonna use ClickBank, but you can use any platform for these free traffic affiliate marketing methods. Now, if you don't have an account, you just click start here. It's totally free to join. And once you actually log into your ClickBank account, you want to go to Marketplace at the top tab. Now in the Marketplace, they have all these different categories or niches of products. You can promote products in the betting systems, in education, e-business, e-marketing. But for this video, I'm going to do health and fitness. So what you want to do is you want to open up that category, and you always want to sort results by gravity on ClickBank. This is going to list the best-selling products at the top, so we know if they're selling well for other people, chances are we're going to be able to make some pretty easy sales. We want to look at the average dollar per conversion right here. We want to make sure that we're making a good amount per commission. Now this one's really good. It's $149. So I'm going to use 𝐇𝐞𝐫 for this video. Okay. Now a lot of these, they have a affiliate page right here. So we just want to open that up. And we want to actually take a look at the resources. Okay. We want to make sure for the sake of this video that it has email swipes and that it also has images, okay? Because we're going to be using both of these in 2 separate methods, as you'll see in just a second. So when you want to do this, you just want to click promote, okay? You want to generate hop links, and then we want to save this link at the bottom. This is our affiliate link, and this is what we're going to get people to click on so we can start to generate commissions. Now, the very first method I want to use is we want to actually go here and we want to go to images. And we want to find an image that looks pretty eye-catching, okay? So this one is pretty good. We don't really want to use one that has an image of the product because that's giving it away. That's not building curiosity. So we want to find one that's pretty curiosity building, okay? So for example, this one right here could work perfectly. I can just open this up. I can save it to my computer, and I'm going to use this in just a second. Okay, so the very first traffic source is Pinterest. If you don't have an account yet, you want to create one. It's totally free. And once we have a Pinterest account, we want to create a pin. So you want to go to the top, you want to click create pin, okay? Now what we want to do is we want to actually first upload the image that we just downloaded to our computer. Okay, there we go right there. And then we want to actually, for the title, we want to find keywords that people are actually searching. So when they search a keyword that's relevant to our product, this curiosity-inducing image is going to show up, okay? So we can go to the search bar and I can type in a few words such as weight loss, and then I can see, okay, weight loss meals, plans, weight loss workout plan. So based on what this product is, I can choose one of these. Let's do weight loss workout plan, okay? So weight loss workout plan, okay? And for the text right here, we can just say click the image to learn the top way to lose weight. And then we just go down here for add a destination link. We just paste in our affiliate link right there, okay? And then you just click publish immediately. And what's going to happen is this pin will post and it will rank under the weight loss workout plan keyword. So when someone goes to Pinterest and searches that in, they're going to see this high curiosity inducing image. They're going to click that, get taken to our high converting sales page or affiliate link. And when they buy, we're going to start to generate commissions. Okay, so Pinterest is incredible. And let's go ahead and move on to the second traffic method. Second traffic method is Quora.com. You can go ahead and go there, create a free account as well. And what we want to do is understand that Quora is a website where people go on there and they ask questions. They ask questions, and what we can do is we can answer their questions. Now, there's all these different topics that people ask questions under. And again, we want to find questions that are relevant to our niche and product. So it depends on whatever niche you're promoting. For the sake of this video, I can type in, like weight loss, health and fitness. So I can type in, weight loss tips, right? Something like that. And I can go ahead and search this. And what this does is this will show all these questions that people have asked when it comes to weight loss tips. Okay, so what are tips for weight loss? What's your favorite weight loss hack? So I can go ahead and click one of these. And what you can do is after you create an account with Quora, you can actually answer these questions. Okay, so you can see right here, what are tips for weight loss? People give their tips. Okay, now with Quora, if you just directly post your affiliate link as an answer, chances are your account will get banned. Okay, you can't really direct link. So we're going to do a workaround. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to click answer, and we want to actually go to another free site called blogger.com. So you can actually search that into Google. When that comes up, blogger.com, go to this website. And then what this allows you to do is create a new post, and you can create a blog article. Now, what we want to do, we don't actually have to create this article ourselves. We can go back to this page, okay, the affiliate resource page, and I can go to email swipes, and I can actually copy one of these emails, okay, like this one, and I can actually post this as my article, okay, like this, right? Okay, go ahead and replace this one right here as well. So I can go ahead and do this, okay? And then we can put a title, you know, best weight loss solution. And then I can go ahead and publish. Now, what we want to do now is we want to actually take the link, okay? So if I view this, we take the link to this article, okay, that now has our affiliate link. We go back to Quora, okay, and in our answer, we want to say something like, this is a great question. When it comes to losing weight, I highly recommend you use this solution. And we just type that in. And then what we want to do is highlight this solution, use this little paper clip, paste in the link to our article, okay? And then post that. And what's going to happen is this answer will get posted. And a lot of people, if this question is popular, are going to see this. They're going to click that highlight right there, and they're going to go to this article. And then when they click here, it's going to take them to our high converting affiliate offer. Okay, so we can start to generate sales even while we're sleeping, because once you post this, it's up there forever. The last traffic method I want to share with you is Facebook. Just go to Facebook right here, search in the top a few words that have to do with your niche. Okay, it could be weight loss, could be make money online, whatever your niche is, we want to search that. Okay, and then we want to filter by groups on the top left. And what this is going to do is list popular groups that have to do with the niche you typed in. And we just want to open one of these that has a good amount of members. Okay, this has 65,000 members. And once we open that, what we want to do is we want to actually post in this group. Okay, so we want to go to discussion, write something, and then we want to actually choose this right here. We want to choose a background like that. And we want to just write a simple curiosity building question that piques people's interest that has to do with our product. So I've already created one here. So do you want to discover a secret method to lose weight fast that most people don't know about? Comment info for the free video. Okay, and you can model this if you're using a different product or different niche. And then you want to post this. Okay, so what this is going to do is pique people's interest, and they're going to want to know what you're talking about. They're going to want to know the method. And when you tell them to comment info for the free video, they're going to comment info, and you're going to start to get comments on this post. Okay, so you're going to start to get people commenting down here. And then when they say info, you just open up their profile, you message them the link to your affiliate offer. Okay, so these are 3 incredibly powerful ways to start to get massive free traffic to whatever offer you want to promote. Now, these methods work incredibly well, but if you want to discover how to access a done-for-you affiliate system that has high converting capture pages, done-for-you follow-up emails, and even high-ticket commissions, so you don't have to make these measly itsy-bitsy commissions. You can make up to $1,000 or more per sale. Be sure you click the first link directly below and access that totally free training on my website. Anyway, my friend, I really hope you got a tremendous amount of value. Like this video if you got value. Be sure to subscribe with the bell icon also so you're always notified of my latest videos. And until next time, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next video.